StimulusJS is a great JavaScript library, which I'm a big fan of, because it's not only unobtrusive to your Rails application, but it's also very easy to interact with, and it works very nicely with turbolinks. However, as we start developing an application and as that application grows, we will often run into situations where our codebase has become a bit of a mess. So in this episode, I want to look at StimulusJS and how I prefer to organize it within my Rails application. A lot of the videos that I record covering StimulusJS won't really show these kind of methods that I use to organize my code, simply because I tried to keep these examples really simple, so not only can they be implemented within your application, but also that you can follow along to see what's going on with a particular topic at hand. But there are some things that I typically do in a Rails 6 application with StimulusJS to make my overall experience working with Stimulus a little bit nicer. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? So be sure to check that out and use the promo code RUBY for free shipping within the United States. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.